Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file a cyber complaint online. You will learn the essential steps to report online fraud, harassment, or data breaches effectively. We will cover everything from gathering your evidence to submitting your complaint through the official government portal. This process ensures your concerns reach the correct authorities, helping to address online crime. Before filing, gather all relevant details about the incident. This includes screenshots, email headers, specific dates and times. Documenting the financial loss, if any, also helps. For instance, note the exact amount in rupees or dollars. The more information you provide, the stronger your complaint becomes, allowing authorities to investigate thoroughly and efficiently. Choosing the correct platform is crucial for your complaint. Most countries have a national cybercrime reporting portal, such as the Cybercrime. Gov. In India, or the IC3. Gov in the United States. Ensure you navigate directly to the official government website to prevent falling victim to fraudulent sites. These secure platforms are designed to handle your sensitive information safely. Once on the official portal, you will typically find a complaint or report incident section. Carefully fill out each required field, providing precise details about the cybercrime. You will then upload your collected evidence, such as photographs, documents, or communication logs. After reviewing everything thoroughly, submit your complaint and note down the provided reference number.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.